today discuss to sets now. Sets. Okay, ma'am. Do you know who introduced the set theory? The set theory was developed by George Hunter. He is one of the most mathematicians. He is introduced the set theory. What the here definition of set, the well-defined collection of different objects. Set theory. Set means
Sir, your
what is
voice is breaking.
okay, ma'am. Here theory. Who is developed by set theory, ma'am? Set theory was developed by George Hunter. He is the most important mathematician. He is introduced by the set theory. Okay, ma'am. But here, వినపడుతుందమ్మా? What is the
Yeah, it is
definition
clear
of
now.
what is the definition of the set, ma'am? Set means well-defined objects. A well-defined objects. Then this is called set. For example, A is equal to set of the letters of vowels in A, E, I. Here, the set of all, the set of 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. You are observed. The set means the well-defined collection of objects. Okay, Nana? Okay, here we can be, here sets are denoted by capital letters, and those letters are denoted by elements or objects. Okay, ma? Here this can be written as A belongs to A. I mean the letter A, the element A lies in set A. For example, E belongs to A. Here E is element belongs to set A. Okay, Nana? Here sets are denoted by capital letters. Those numbers or elements are denoted by elements or objects. Set means well-defined collection of objects. Okay, Nana? Next, for example, set A is equal to 1, 2, 3. Here 1 belongs to A. But you are observed 4 lies in the set A, no ma. So this can be written as 4 does not belongs to A. Most important point, some exam point of view. 1 lies in set A, 2 lies in set A, 3 lies in set A. But I am taking next number 4 does not belongs to set A. 5 does not belongs to set A. Okay, Nana? Here, next. Here, sets are described. Sets are described. Sets are described. Okay, Nishama. Right. Described here. Described of 2 sets now. Of 2 sets. Described of 2 sets now. First one, roster form. Roster form. Roster form or list form. First one is roster form or list form. What is the definition of the roster form? You have to take the set of all elements are listed. For example, I am taking the set of all natural numbers. Here set words. This words denoted by the set of list, set of 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. Here described of 2 sets. First one is roster form or list form. All the set of all elements are listed. I mean, I am taking the example. A is equal to set of 1, comma, 2 comma, 3 comma, 4 comma, and so on. For example, another one, the set of all prime numbers, set of 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, etc. Those are called roster form or list form. Second one, set builder form. Second one is set builder form. Okay, no. Second one is set builder form. Set builder form. Set builder form. What is the definition of the set builder form? Very simple thing, Nana. The set of all elements are described a rule. Children, for example, A is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. The set of all elements are described by a rule. ఒక rule follow అవుతుందన్న. How you are observe 2, the set A containing even numbers. Those numbers can be written as 2 into 1, 2 into 2, 2 into 3, 2 into 4, 2 into 5. You are observed. Here common number is 2 nano. Then some you have take 5 natural numbers are predicted by the number 2. I mean, this can be written as here 2x. Natural numbers are denoted by variable such that x belongs to n. So x lies between 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 5. Then this is called set builder form. Chudnama, the set of all elements are described by a rule. 2, 4, 5, 6, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Those are even numbers. Those numbers can be written as 2 into 1, 2 into 2, 2 into 3, 2 into 4, 2 into 5. You are observed. You have take 5 natural numbers predicted by the number 2. So the natural numbers are I am taking x, 2x. 2x and this is a form of the even number. This is a rule. This is a form of a even number. You have to take x is natural numbers. 2 into 1, 2. 2 into 2, 4. 2 into 3, 6. Those are even numbers. I mean, this is a rule. X belongs to n, but x lies between 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 5. Okay, this set builder form. Okay, now take another. For example, take another one. 2, 1, 4, 9, 16, 25. I am taking another example, Nana. Set of 1, 4, 9, 16, 25. You are observed. Those numbers are perfect squares. Chudnama, 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square. You are observed. 1 square, 2 square means 4, 3 square means 9, 4 square means 16, 5 square means 25. So you are observed, power have same, but bases are different. Those numbers are natural numbers. This can be written as x square such that x belongs to n natural numbers. So those numbers x you have take less between 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 5. Those numbers are, this process is called set builder form. Okay, ma? Next. Type of sets. Nana. First, null set. The other name wide or empty set. Okay, Nana? Null set or wide set or empty. Null set, you have take set. They have no elements. You have take any set have no elements. It is denoted by pi, ORR, empty brackets. Null set means the set does not have no elements. Then this is called null set. It is denoted by ORR, empty. Okay, Nana? Next, singleton set. Singleton set. What is the definition of the singleton set? The set containing only one element. A is equal to set of A. B is equal to set of 1. C is equal to set of C. You are observed a set containing only one element. Then this is called singleton set. Okay. Exam point here. Set A is equal to the prime numbers are divisible by 2. Here another here point of exam point of D is equal to the set of prime numbers is divisible by 2. This is called singleton set. You are observed 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, etc. Anna, which number is divisible by 2? Only 2, Nana. Only one number. Anna, this is called singleton set. This is called singleton set. Okay. Next one. Next. Finite. Infinite. Next one, no? Finite. Pravadi, infinite. Finite set, infinite set. Do you know finite set, ma? You have to take any set, have only countable elements or objects or number. For example, set A is equal to AEIOU. The set B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The set have countable number of elements. Then this is called finite set. Okay, Nana. Next, infinite. The set have uncountable. Set A is equal to set of natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. Set B is equal to 9 multiplications 9, 18, 27, 36, etc. You are observed. Find infinite. Finite means countable. Infinite set means uncountable. Infinite set. What is the definition of the infinite set? The set have uncountable number of elements. Then this is called infinite. Okay. Exam point. They have used set. Here asking infinite or finite. They have give example. Which is set and null. Here given options finite, infinite, null set, singleton set. They have finite set. Okay, right. Next one, most very important next one, no, cardinal number of sets. Okay, next one in the definition. Cardinal number of set. Cardinal number of set. Most very important. What is the definition of the cardinal number of set? The number of elements in the given set is called cardinal number of set. For example, it is denoted by n of A. Here n means number of elements in given set is called cardinal number of set. It is denoted by n of A. For example, set A have 1, 2, 3, 4. The set A have how many elements in there? It is denoted by n of A is equal to 4. Okay, set B is equal to empty set each n of B is equal to ORR pi nano. Set to B. Set B have how many elements in there? You observe they have no elements. Then this is called 0. Then this is called 0. Are you understand, ma'am? Most very important cardinal number of set. What is the definition of the cardinal number of set? You have take set the number of elements in a set, in a finite set, but not infinite. You have take only finite. You have take infinite, does not define. అదే నేను ఫైనైట్ సెట్ తీసుకున్నాను. You have take only finite set. Those have counting elements 1, 2, 3, 4. It is denoted by n of a. N of a is equal to 4. Okay, but b is equal to null set. They have no elements. N of b is 0. Okay, Nana. Cardinal number of set does not define infinite set. Infinite set మీద define చేయలేం నాన్న. Okay, next equal sets. Next one is equal sets. Most very important. You have take two sets have same elements. For example, set A is equal to A, B, C, D. B is equal to D, B, C, A. You are observed. You have take two sets have same elements. Then those are called equal sets. They have you in an example and asking in examination. It is denoted by A is equal to B. A is equal to B now. Okay, na? Equal sets. What is the definition of the equal sets, Nana? A and B have same elements. A, B, C, D. D, B, C, A. Those elements can be written as in order, alphabetical order. A, B, C, D. Those two elements are equal. A is equal to B. This is called equal sets. This is called equal sets. Next one, equivalent sets. Equivalent. Next one is equivalent sets. Equivalent sets means you have take two sets, A and B. They have same number of elements. I am taking set A is equal to A, B, C, D. B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Equivalent sets. What is the definition of the equivalent sets, Nana? Set A is equal to A, B, C, D. B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Anna, you have take two sets have same number of elements. Same number of elements, but not same elements. So set A, it is cardinal number of elements. N of A is equal to 4. B. N of B is equal to 4. You are observed. Number of elements are equal. It is denoted by N of A equal to N of B equal to 4. Most very important, Nana. Very important point. Okay, ma. Equivalent sets. You have take two sets have same number of elements. Then those are called equivalent sets. A, set A is equal to A, B, C, D. Set B is equal to 1, 2, 3. You are observed. N of A is equal to 4. N of B is equal to 4. Those are how equal. N of A is equal to N of B. Okay, then this is called equivalent sets. Then this is called equivalent sets. No, one point, keep in your mind, one point. Equal sets are also equivalent sets. But equivalent sets does not equal sets. Equal sets అనేది equivalent set అవుతుంది. కానీ equivalent sets does not equal sets. Okay, ma, most very important now. Keep in your mind. చాలా important. Next, subsets. Very important point of exam point, you know. Subset. What is the definition of the subset? It is denoted by symbol.
Sir, excuse me. Yeah.